Hello everyone, welcome to Shu channel. Today I have a guest. Her name is Morissette. Am I right? I think it's Morissette. I heard from my Filipino English teacher. She said she, this Morissette, is really famous in the Philippines. So today I'm gonna try to react to her cover song, Secret Love Song, Little Mix. And it seems she's in her studio, like that. Okay. And before watching the video, please subscribe to my channel and put the notification bell to not miss my future videos. Thank you. Okay, let's go.
Hey wishers, this is Morissette. Don't miss any wish exclusive videos. Click here to subscribe.
Yeah, I subscribe already. Wow. Oh, like this whispering voice is good.
Wish 1075.
Every time I see you, I tired so more. Stolen moments that we steal as the curtain falls. It'll never be enough. It's obvious you're waiting for me. Every piece of you, it just fits perfectly. Every second, every thought, I'm in so deep, but I'll never show it on my face. But we know this, we got a love that is homeless. What can you hold me in the street? What can I kiss you on the dance floor? I wish that we could be like that. Why can't we be like that? 'Cause I'm yours. When you're with her, do you call her name like you do when you're with me? Does it feel the same? Would you leave if I was ready?
Yeah, she's really into singing a song.
Would you play it safe and stay? But you know this, we got a love that is homeless.
Looks she's in a zone. I feel strong power from her.
performances from Wish 1075.
Yeah, that's amazing. Uh, yeah, I'm about to cry. I'm super impressed. Whispering voice is good, and shouting, and that differences between powerful point to whispering sounds. Oh, it's nice. I hope I can hear that in the Philippines. Yay! Okay, today's video is it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and put the notification bell to not to miss my future videos. Thank you, bye bye. See you again.